Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your school community. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the name of your school community. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your school community. Next, click on settings right over here. And then from here, you're going to click on general. Now, where it says group name, this is where you could actually change the name of your school community. So go ahead and change the name right here. And there you have it. Once you click off, it should save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the name of your school community. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.